stays blue. Phone lights up, but it's never you. Every silence hits too hard, like your shadow left a scar. I still turn my screen at night, like somehow you make it right. Funny how a name can hurt, even after all the words. You said time would heal the pain, but your memory still remains. Now the ceiling knows my thoughts and the things I never talk. My notifications stay empty, but my heart still rings for you. Every vibration got me hoping that somehow you miss me too. I hate that I still wait for a text that never comes. You moved on so easily, while I'm stuck where we begun. Everybody says I heal, but they don't know how this feels. When your favorite song comes on and suddenly I come undone. I deleted all our pics, still your face is in my head. Guess some people leave your life, but never really leave your chest. My notifications stay empty, but my heart still rings for you. Every vibration got me hoping that somehow you miss me too. I hate that I still wait for the text that never comes. You moved on so easily, while I'm stuck where we begun. Maybe one day I'll stop searching for your name inside the crowd. Maybe one day loving you won't feel this loud. My notifications stay empty, still I sleep beside my phone. Trying not to call your number, trying hard to be alone. And the room stays blue, still no message coming through. We used to laugh in parking lots, now we barely even talk. Same old street, same coffee shop, but somehow everything feels off. You became a stranger slow, and I didn't even know. We didn't break, we grew apart. That's the kind that hurts the heart. No big fight, no slamming doors, just less of us than before. You stopped sending midnight calls, I stopped writing on your wall. Two people becoming ghosts while standing way too close. We didn't break, we grew apart. That's the kind that hurts the heart. No big fight, no slamming doors, just less of us than before. Sometimes love don't die dramatically, sometimes it just fades quietly. We didn't break, we grew apart. Still I carry every part of the life we almost had, and the future left unpacked. Same old streets, different different hearts. Everybody asks me how I've been. I say good with a practice smile. Been rehearsing it for a while. Got jokes ready, got stories too. Anything except the truth. I'm so tired of pretending I'm fine, laughing loud while I'm dying inside. Everybody sees the highlights. Nobody stays for the hard nights. My friends think I'm doing okay, 'cause I still show up every day. But they don't hear the silent scream when I'm alone with me. I'm so tired of pretending I'm fine, laughing loud while I'm dying inside. Everybody sees the highlights. Nobody stays for the hard nights. If I told the truth, would anybody stay? Oh. Pretending I'm fine, carrying storms behind my eyes. Maybe someday I'll heal for real. Ooh, maybe someday I'll finally feel. Everybody asks me how I've been. I still don't know what to tell them. You were online 5 minutes ago. Yeah. Type in bubbles, come and go. Like you got something you won't show. I stare at that little green light, like it decides if I sleep tonight. You left me on red emotionally. Now I'm scrolling through old memories. Funny how a screen can break your heart when somebody slowly falls apart. I replay our voice notes late, trying to hear what changed. Guess forever has an end, even when you call them best friend. You left me unread emotionally. Now I'm scrolling through old memories. Funny how a screen can break your heart when somebody slowly falls apart. Maybe love today comes with a weak connection. You left me on red emotionally. Now your silence talks to me. I wish deleting all our chats could delete the aftermath. You were online 5 minutes ago, still not mine anymore. What happened to the kid I used to be? happened to the kid I used to be? Your number still memorized. One more drink and I might break. One more song and I might cave. Funny how healing disappears at 2 a.m. with souvenirs. I almost called you tonight, almost told you I still cry. Almost asked if you still care. Almost wish that you were there. Everybody says move on, but memories don't turn off, especially the ones that felt like forever at the time. I almost called you tonight, almost told you I still cry. Almost asked if you still care. Almost wish that you were there. Maybe love doesn't leave, it just learns how to hide. I almost called you tonight, but some wounds deserve goodbye. So I let the silence read and survived another evening. Your number still memorized. Crowded room, lonely soul. I can stand beside my friends, still feel distant in the end. Everybody talks so loud while I disappear somehow. I feel invisible sometimes, like nobody reads my mind, like I'm screaming underwater, getting harder, getting harder. Maybe I became too quiet. Maybe pain just learned to hide. Maybe people only love the versions that don't struggle much. I feel invisible sometimes, like nobody reads my mind, like I'm screaming underwater, getting harder, getting harder. If I vanished for a week, would anybody notice me? I feel invisible sometimes. still choose to stay instead. Crowded room, lonely soul. Same house, different feeling. Family dinners got quieter. Everybody's getting tired. The walls still look the same, but nothing here feels safe. Home doesn't feel like home anymore. Love slipped out through the front door. Now every room just echoes pain, and nothing feels the same. We used to laugh without trying. Now everybody's just surviving. Growing up showed me the truth. Even families break too. Home doesn't feel like home anymore. Love slipped out through the front door. Now every room just echoes pain, and nothing feels the same. I miss who we were before life got heavier. Home doesn't feel like home anymore. Still, I stand outside the door, hoping one day we can heal and become something real. Same house, different feeling. Maybe I feel everything too deeply. I apologize too much, care too hard, think too much. People leave and I blame me, like love is something earned carefully. Maybe I'm too much for everyone, too emotional, too undone, too quiet when I'm hurting bad, too loving when I get attached. I shrink myself to fit their space. Still somehow I'm hard to embrace. Maybe broken people know how to love the most. Maybe I'm too much for everyone, too emotional, too undone, too quiet when I'm hurting bad, too loving when I get attached. the highway feel too long.